10 Best AI Tools for Business, June 2023. AI is providing deep insights like never before, and it is helping turn many business processes more efficient. Let's take a look at the 12 Best AI Tools for Business. 1. Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generator that enables you to easily create and edit high-quality videos. Create shareable video highlight reels. 2. Jasper. It is capable of producing a 1,500-word article in less than 15 minutes. More than 11,000 free fonts and 2,500 categories of writing styles. 3. Mirth. Topping our list of best AI tools for business is the text-speech generator Mirth, which is one of the most popular and impressive AI voice generators on the market. The text-to-speech generator provides users with a comprehensive AI voiceover studio that includes a built-in video editor, which enables you to create a video with voiceover. 4. Hitfall Photo Enhancer. This is the best AI image enhancer to make pictures less blurry and enlarge images without quality loss. The best AI image enhancer available for Windows and Mac. 5. Synthesis. The company relies on its synthesis text-to-video (TTV) technology to transform scripts into dynamic media presentations. The tool offers 69 real humatters and a voice bank of 254 unique styles. 6. Lovo.ai. World's largest library of voices of over 500 plus AI voices. With 150 plus languages available, content can be localized with a click of a button. 7. Images.ai. We might be a little biased since this is the first of many AI tools that will be launched by the Unite.ai team. It uses the latest in open source Stable Diffusion technology to offer AI art generation. 7. Fireflies. Fireflies is an AI meeting assistant that uses NLP to eliminate the need for note-taking during a meeting. The best part might be the search functionality. It enables you to review an hour-long call in less than 5 minutes. 8. Speechify. Speechify can turn text in any format into natural-sounding speech. The software is intelligent and can identify more than 15 different languages when processing text, and it can seamlessly convert scanned printed text into clearly audible audio. 9. Reply.io. The JSON AI is a personal assistant powered by chat to set up outreach sequences, handle prospect responses, and book meetings for you. Another tool is the AI Assistant API is fully compatible with other reply APIs. 10. Feathery. Feathery is unique that it enables users to build highly customizable forms with no coding required. The cutting-edge form builder is designed to cater to more advanced, product-grade use cases. 11. Tidio. Tidio offers a simplified solution for businesses to add a chatbot to their website. See what your customers are typing in real time and have your replies ready to send. 12. Neural Text. It's an AI copywriter, SEO content tool, and keyword research tool. It has more than 50 ready-to-use templates, Facebook ads, slogan ideas, blog section writing, and so on. 13. Anyword. Of course, for longer form content they also make it easy to generate blog posts, product descriptions, YouTube descriptions, and much more. The differentiator is that Anyword empowers creative marketers to add data to their toolbox by providing predictive metrics and insights into which part of the message works and for whom.